Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these candy corn hat earrings. Grab your sweet supplies and let's do it! Take a ball of your yellow clay and flatten it for the rim of the hat. If it doesn't come out completely round, that's okay. It'll add to the character of the hat. Now to make the tops of the candy corn hat. Take a ball of orange and yellow clay, place them together, and then roll them so that the seam is removed, and it becomes a smooth transition from one color to the next. If you like this video so far, please subscribe, and check back tomorrow. I am posting 31 videos this October. Take your ball of white clay and roll it into an oval shape. Then place this on top of the orange and yellow clay. And roll it so that it joins the orange clay seamlessly. And then roll out the white clay so that it comes to a point. Repeat all steps with the second hat and make sure they are the same size. And then roll the tips down so that they become a swirl shape. And then attach this to the bottom of the hat. You could also use a little bacon bond if you wish. Roll out some white clay until it is long and thin, and then wrap this around the base of the hat. Cut off any excess clay. Mix up a little bit of orange and yellow clay, roll it out until it is long and thin, and then cut off a tiny piece, fold it over on itself, and then place this on the hat. Make another one and place it opposite the first one. Cut off two more sections and place these at the base of the loop. And then to complete your bow, roll a small piece of clay into a ball and place it in the center of the bow. Pre-poke the holes for your eye hooks and then place them in. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and then resin. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your sweet candy corn earrings are done. Please check back tomorrow for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!